Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make thousands of dollars with YouTube Shorts using videos you don't even have to create yourself. Very simple to make. Get onto it right now because you can generate a lot of money starting February. Let's go. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take advantage of YouTube Shorts to make money online. So as of February the 1st, 2023, so pretty much in less than a month, in just like 3 weeks and so, you'll be able to get paid just by posting short videos on YouTube, just like TikTok is doing, Instagram is doing, Pinterest. I don't know if they pay you Pinterest for the videos, but definitely Instagram, Facebook Reels, and TikTok, you can get monetized just by posting videos. And that's all you have to do. You don't even need to sell anything, just like the views, the number of views is giving you some sort of income. So, because this is starting as of February the 1st, you want to get on now and start posting your short videos so you'll be early. You want to be early because a lot of people are going to start doing it in February because the word is going to be on the street that, hey, YouTube is now paying, so you'll have more people doing it. So it's better if you start posting your videos right now so you'll be ahead of the game. So what you want to do, let's go to YouTube and you type hashtag shorts plus whatever you want to promote, whatever video you want to promote. So it could be funny videos, it could be motivational videos like what I put here, it could be funny pets, it could be diets, anything you think of, anything that's, it could be politics or money, making money online, anything you can think of that you would like to talk about, to promote, to post about. And then what you want to do, you want to make sure that first of all you get lots of views for those types of videos. And as you can see here, for those ones, they get over 100,000 views per video, sometimes millions, as you can see. And we can scroll and see, yeah, they get 2.2 million. So yeah, they're pretty popular and they're fairly simple. It's just a video showing anything, a landscape, a famous speaker, and a text, and that's all. So now what we want to do, you probably don't want to create a video, so we're gonna make it very easy. So we'll go to our friend TikTok. So we want to go now to TikTok and you'll type in the search bar inspirational videos or any of those inspirational quotes, motivational speech. And here you'll see the ones that have the most views. So this one has 5.5 million, which is huge. Then you have those ones as well, 4.8, 5.3. Well, you pick whichever. So I'm gonna pick this one or this one. Okay, let's pick this one. So you want to take that video right here, and what you'll do, you will simply copy the link right here. Then you'll go on Google and you'll type watermark remover TikTok, because those are TikTok videos. This is the first one. You can use the first one. It's Snaptic. It's fairly famous. A lot of people are using it. So you're gonna copy your link, download the video. I'm gonna close this. And my video is here now. Yeah, So my video is showing on my other screen, but it's right here and it is on my computer. So it's perfect. So once you have your video, now you want to go to Canva, canva.com, and they have free accounts. You don't have to pay for anything. So once you're in Canva, you'll click over here to video, and then from here you will select TikTok videos because the format is the same. And then when you'll be here, you'll just need to upload your video, which is right here. So I'm gonna upload the video, and it's actually right here too. And I'm just gonna drop it here. So now we have it, and I'm just gonna put the sound down. Okay, so we have our video, and we will just put an let's just put it down. Okay, so then you wanna put like a shape, so you can put a rectangle or a circle or whatever type of shape you want, and you'll put it at the top or anywhere you want on the screen. Here there's a lot of space everywhere, so here you have it. You can change the color right here. We can put it white, or we can put it you know what, let's make it pop. And yeah, I'll put yellow, just, or maybe, yeah, maybe white. And here you can add a text. So what we want to try to do is to create some engagement. So you want people to comment on your video, because the more people are going to comment, the more your video is going to get traction, and the more views you'll get, and the more money you can make. So you can add a subheading here, put it right here, and type watch this till the end. And then let's make this a little bit smaller. And then you can ask a question as well. So let's add another element right here and put it at the bottom this time. And let's ask, do you agree? Because that's a very, very random question, and people, they usually like to give their opinion for everything. So if you just ask an opinion, usually you'll get a reaction. So here you can say, do you agree? So let's type that quickly. Do you agree? Okay, we can change the font like this, and I'll change the font here too. Okay, so here we have our video. It's perfect. You can add whatever else you want, and there's no watermark, and you modify the video because you added some text. So once you're done, you'll just share. So you will download here, and yeah, 1080 is good anyways, and you'll go to download right here, and this video is gonna download to your computer. Then from there you will go to YouTube. Okay, so now the video is fully downloaded here. So now we want to go to YouTube, and you'll go on your channel, and here you'll have create. So you want to upload a video. So So here we will select our file, and it's this one right here. We can select it. It's gonna download. And you know what? You can choose a title. Inspirational speech. You need to listen today. You know, type whatever you want to type, and then you'll put some hashtags. So you want to put YouTube Shorts. You can put shorts because you want to make sure it's gonna show on the shorts. So we'll put that one, and then you can put, it's about soulmates. So soulmates, and let's see here, inspirational quotes, relationship goals. So you can type some other hashtags, inspirational quotes, and here, oh, that's too long, but that's good enough anyways. 96 is good. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to copy this and paste it in your description. If you ever sell something related to your video, or you can always as well put your affiliate link right here as well to make some extra income. But in this case, we're just talking about making money just with the views on videos. You don't need to put any thumbnails because it's a short video. And then you want to make sure to click here, it's not made for kids. And over here you can put the tags so people can retrieve your video very easily. What you can do as well, we can maybe, I haven't tried that, but let's see if this works. Yeah, but okay. So you want to go ahead again with your hashtags, inspirational quotes, inspirational quotes about life. So yeah, you can, I've got this as well. So I've got TubeBuddy and vidIQ, and I can select some hashtags. So you can put soulmates, and you select a few hashtags to make sure that people can find your video. Okay, so when you're done with the hashtags right here, you will just allow comments. Don't forget that, because sometimes it's not even clicked, and then you see that there's no comments, but it's because you forgot, right? So once you're done, you can go to next, and you can just go ahead, monetization, you put yes, and then you put next, and over here none of the above, and you can just submit rating. Yeah, you need to do it every time now. And now you can go to next and next, and again, no issues found. That's perfect. And you can go ahead and you can just publish it as public. So here I could go ahead and publish it, and I can do it. I mean, we'll see, And there you go. And that's all you want to do. And you can do that over and over. And the more videos you will post, the better your channel will grow, and the more money you can make. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did like it, please give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.